My name is David McClure, based here in Milton Keynes in the UK. I work for a company called SBD Automotive. We're a research consultancy firm working in the fields of connected, autonomous and secure vehicles. And we joined the HumanDrive project to really manage all of the cybersecurity aspects of the system under development. So for me personally, the best part of the project has been the chance to work with kind of thought leaders in the field of autonomous vehicles, and especially some of our partners such as Hitachi. Their key role in the project was looking at artificial intelligence, or AI, and for us the opportunity to work with them, to learn their expertise and their knowledge in this topic, and then to challenge our thinking of cybersecurity really was a kind of intellectual challenge, but trying to bring that into a commercial product for the future was very satisfying for us. For SBD, the main benefit of being involved in the HumanDrive project has been to really give us a foundational knowledge of cybersecurity as it applies to autonomous vehicles. So this is really a groundbreaking area of technology. Autonomous vehicles are meant to be the future, and for us as a relatively small company, it's a great opportunity to get in at the beginning and to have some funded research into this area. Then we can then package and promote to our potential commercial customers to show that we're not just talking about it, but we've had some hands-on experience of trying to develop this type of system, which should give us better opportunities to win business with those customers in the future. So next steps for SBD is really to think about the marketing activity and how we can really capitalize on our not only visible involvement in the project, but also the intellectual knowledge that we've gained through the project, and how we can apply that to the future products that our customers are developing, whether they be purely connected systems or autonomous systems, or the new world vision of mobility and electric vehicles. So all of those systems and requirements coming together can benefit from our knowledge and experience from this project, and hopefully we can market and promote that capability to drive our business forward. I think HumanDrive has had a very positive impact on the development of CAVs, particularly in relation to the UK and putting us on the map globally. And it's drawn a lot of attention from our customers, be they in the US, Japan, across Europe and China. But it's also, I think, focused on one of the real challenges the industry faces, that it's not just a technology challenge, but how do you make this experience of riding in an autonomous vehicle as natural to the customer as possible, and to make it feel that they're just driving another car rather than automatically feeling they're being driven in a very robotic manner that doesn't feel natural and doesn't feel like a human driver. So if we can overcome some of those issues, I think it's going to help to make autonomous vehicles more acceptable to the mass market in the future. So in terms of how far into the future we are from seeing fully autonomous vehicles on the road, I think the easier flippant answer is it depends. So from a product point of view, a number of car manufacturers have already got vehicles on the road that use similar technology that will enable full autonomous driving in the future, but they're using it in a more controlled manner. And even our project partner Nissan has what's called a level 2+ system on the market today, which will provide some level of autonomous driving in certain conditions, but always the driver is supposed to be in control of the vehicle and have responsibility. The next step moving forward is what's called level 3, and that's when the vehicle has full control and the driver is meant to be a backup. And other vehicle manufacturers like Audi are ready to go with this technology, but they're being held back by rules and regulations that haven't kept up with technology. So we expect those obstacles to be overcome probably by about 2021, and the first level 3 vehicles will come onto the road. Beyond that, it's really a question of if rather than when from our point of view. We don't believe it's really certain that fully autonomous vehicles that can literally drive anywhere in any weather condition would really come to the market, partly because of the cost of developing those systems and producing the vehicles, but also from the sensor technologies and whether they have the capability to work in every situation. So a pure level 5 vehicle we may never see on the roads. What we will see, we strongly predict over the next few years, is what's called level 4 vehicles, which work in certain areas or certain geofenced locations. And the primary example for that would be low-speed self-parking applications, where the driver can get out of the car in a car park, press a button, and the car will drive itself off and find an empty parking space. And we're already seeing prototypes and demonstrations of this technology, and we strongly expect that level of autonomous driving to come to market over the next couple of years.